world's biggest football tournament is bringing nations together. And today, we're celebrating one of West Africa's most comforting and flavorful dishes, Ghana's beloved Ampesi with eggplant stew. First, we prepare the foundation of our meal. Fresh yam and plantains into a large pot. They go with enough water and just a pinch of salt. As they gently boil, they become perfectly tender while keeping their natural sweetness and hearty texture. Now it's time for the star of today's recipe, the eggplant stew. Pour some palm oil in a hot pan. Onions begin to saute in the hot oil. Then come ground tomatoes, cooking down into a rich, vibrant sauce. A touch of tomato paste deepens the color and flavor. Next comes garlic paste. A pinch of salt. Next is a Ghanaian secret, Maggi cubes. Just enough seasoning to make every bite unforgettable. For extra richness, smoked fish and kubi are gently folded into the stew, adding that unmistakable depth of flavor that's loved in many Ghanaian homes. Let's cover it for a while. Now the mashed roasted eggplant joins the pot. Everything is stirred together until the stew becomes rich, creamy, and beautifully smoky. Look at that color, look at that texture. This is comfort food at its finest. Our Ampesi is also perfectly cooked and it's serving time. The warm Ampesi is beautifully arranged on the plate. A generous helping of smoky eggplant stew is spooned over the side. The savory fish. Boiled egg finish the dish. Ghanaians love their eggs. From the vibrant streets of Accra to football fans across the globe, Ghana's Ampesi and eggplant stew reminds us that every nation has a story and every recipe tells one. If this delicious Ghanaian classic made you hungry, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.